Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello, trainers. In this video, I will explain the only ways to engage in multiplayer in Pokémon Legends Arceus. Unlike other Pokémon titles, this game focuses heavily on a single-player experience. You won't find traditional player-versus-player battles or cooperative exploration with friends. However, there are still a few specific ways to interact with other players, enhancing your journey through the Hisui region. Let's dive into these unique online features. The primary way to interact with other players is through trading Pokémon. To do this, you'll need to visit Simona at the trading post in Jubilife Village. This feature becomes available after you've completed Mission 5 in the main story. Once there, you can initiate a trade, choosing to connect with someone nearby for local play or with someone far away for online trading. Both methods require you to enter a unique 8-digit link code. If you plan to trade Pokémon online with players who are not physically near you, an active Nintendo Switch Online membership is essential. For local trades, however, no internet connection or subscription is required. Regardless of your chosen method, both you and your trading partner must input the exact same 8-digit link code to establish a connection. This ensures a smooth and secure exchange of your beloved Pokémon. Beyond trading, Pokémon Legends Arceus offers a couple of other online interactions. You can find lost satchels belonging to other players who have blacked out in the field. Returning these satchels earns you merit points, which can be exchanged for valuable items at the trading post. Additionally, the mystery gift feature allows you to receive special limited-time items and even unique Pokémon, often requiring an internet connection to claim.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.